We're here today with Mr. Mike Molter here in Lafayette, Indiana, checking out his recent repair and renovation project that we just completed. And in the course of our conversation, Mike, you were telling me an interesting story that you had with Ed Baylor. Would you mind sharing that with us all?
Be happy to. No, it's a great story, and I've known Ed for a long time. And we built our first building. Ed Baylor built our first collision shop in 1995. It's over on Farabee Drive. But I get a kick out of this story. About a week after the building was complete, I received a survey card in the mail. Wanting to know, is there anything we could do better? So I thought, I checked the boxes, everything's great, but is there anything we can do better? Well, the finish work in the office, the nail heads weren't puttied. So I just made a quick note of that and I stuck it in the mail, didn't think about it. I don't know how they got the mail that fast, but they had a crew down there. I swear it was the next day, 3 or 4 guys, and they're puttying the nail heads on all of the office. And I've told Ed that story. I've told a lot of people that story, but that's one of the things that started me with FBI that I've always been happy with. I mean, as far as responding to any kind of needs that you have, whether it's during construction or a repair or any kind of maintenance issue after construction. I've been sold on FBI. I've probably built 10 or 12 buildings, and I always enjoyed working with Ed and that great company and a great culture, I think, with the company.
Well, responsiveness is one of our core values, and I appreciate you sharing that with us today.
My pleasure.
Thank you.